Hey planner people. I just want to do a real quick update on my customer service experience I had with Notiq. So if you watched my unboxing video of this beautiful slim wallet that I'm going to be using as a Hobonichi Weeks cover, you may remember that I was a little bit worried about this string that I could see. So like I noticed this string like right away when I first unboxed it. And if you look, this string is just a little bit wonky. So I was concerned that it was going to get caught on something and maybe unravel. Typically when I unbox something, I don't go around and just like inspect all the stitches and whatnot, but since I had noticed it right out of the box, I decided to go ahead and contact Notiq. And so on Friday, I sent them an email with a couple of pictures. And I was so impressed because by the time I got off work, I had an email telling me that they had shipped out the replacement and that there was a label in there so I can return the defective product. So they didn't hassle me at all. They were very quick to respond. And so I'll be getting a replacement in the mail. I've got a tracking number already. So I just wanted to update because I think a lot of times when people have bad customer service experience, they are quick to go to social media and aren't necessarily quick to do that for good customer service. So I wanted to just let everyone know that I had a great experience with them and I won't hesitate to buy from them again. So with that being said, I will end this and we'll talk to you next time. Bye.